Planet Funhouse. Welcome back to Planet Funhouse. And if you're just new to us, it's good to see you.
And in this video, we're gonna go touch some trucks at a local safety expo. So let's go.
Everything we need to be out in the woods for 6 to 8 hours. And then we'll come back to this truck to get food or water.
I can't see anything.
We're in the woods. So we have a visor to protect our eyes and a light on to help us see when it's dark out.
Ooh, that's luck. I have a safety belt.
That we use to talk to people and stuff. So we have emergency lights on.
There's an app over here. I just saw an app I heard.
Here's some more of our gear that we bring. Gloves, and so.
And this is a safe.
4 different radios that we use. We can talk to the fire truck. We can talk to the police truck. So.
All these lights turn on, they run a blue light like the police have. Siren. These are press that one right there. One more time, keep pressing. Keep pressing. Yeah, turn it off. There you go. That's just the buzzer. That's the buzzer. Yeah. That's the buzzer.
Don't forget to subscribe to Planet Funhouse.
That one up there.
Okay, do this one, right?
This one.
Not too long.
Take that, Jack Butler.
popcorn.
Pretty awesome. Yeah, it will look like Minecraft. Just a second, we gotta put it together. That's the background, right?
I want to say a shout out to Declan. You rock.
Thanks for watching Planet Funhouse, where we promote, encourage creativity and curiosity. If you want to watch more of our videos, click or tap the screen right there. Or if you want to continue watching more of our videos, click or tap the screen right there.
Don't forget to subscribe on me before you leave. Don't forget to hit the bell down below.
So you never miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!